Here is the kit verification of KCL KVL. Here we have 0 to 3 volt DC voltmeter. Here is the current meter, and here is the branches of resistance over here. Now, according to the theory, algebraic sum of various current fitting and rejection in a closed electrical circuit is 0, and for the second law here written in the theory. Now, according to the procedure, we connect the circuit and calculation of the current and verify the current law and voltage law. Now, patching the circuit as per the manual. Here output goes to input. We have give the voltage to the circuit. Voltage in parallel, positive to positive and negative to negative. Voltage, voltmeter always in parallel, and current meter in series. Firstly, we have see the first branch current. So we have connect the first branch over here. Dotted line is you have to connect it, and hard line is already interconnected. Current meter in the series. Here we connect it. Now this is the first branch current. Switch on the supply. Set the voltage. Suppose you can set any voltage. Suppose 2.5 volt. Note down the current. It is 0.171. Okay. Note down this current, and now switch off the supply and we'll see the second branch current. Now this branch is connected. Set same voltage. Now it is 0.042. .171 and 0.4042. Now connect both the circuits, above branch and lower branch. Then it is the sum of the both current I1 and I2. Hence current law is proved.